Time to get this hair together. Okay, Roses, so I just got out the shower, as you can see by what's on my head. Hold on for a second. My face is feeling a little dry, so I had to spray with some moisturizer. Okay, that's better. Now, back to this hair. Let's get this bag off my head. This ain't cute. Okay, so you guys see I have my hair. It's been pulled up to a high ponytail, and that's how I normally sleep at night. And I normally sleep on a satin pillowcase. For some reason, I can't keep stuff on my head. So you saw me took it down, and I'm spreading it out a little bit. Just using my fingers. Now, don't do exactly what I just did. I normally suggest you put oil on your fingers before going through your curls just to cut down on the frizz, but I was in a rush. So I just fluff away, no particular way. I don't take my time. I just do what I need to do so I can at least look halfway decent. Okay, I'm about done here. Just a little bit more. Alright, I'm good. See y'all later, Roses.